Imagine this, you are sipping coffee and your app notifies you. TCS below RSI 30, possible bounce incoming, and you didn't write that logic, GenAI did. In this episode, we are building a smart stock entry alert system using GenAI, one that thinks like a trader and codes like a senior engineer. We are asking GenAI to build a backend alert system that watches stock prices, applies technical indicators like RSI, and alerts when there is a potential entry point. Today, we are diving into one of the hottest breakthrough in the GenAI agentic coding, and we are going to build a smart trading app to show it in action. But here is the twist. This isn't just about generating code. This is about GenAI acting like a real software engineer. It plans, it reasons, it builds step by step, runs tests, fixed bugs, and even refactors, just like a junior dev who never sleeps. And behind the power is OpenAI O-series models, like the one used in Codex. They are fine-tuned with reinforcement learning to follow a chain of thought reasoning process. Before they write a single line, they think through the problem, just like we do. Codex takes it further. It's tuned specifically for real-world software tasks, not just text. So what you are about to see isn't just AI writing code, it's AI solving problems like a teammate. This is a next level software development, and you are about to watch it in action. Codex connects directly into your GitHub repo, you authorize access, and it spins up its own sandbox with your code. It works inside its own isolated environment, loading your repo, running tests, linting, even installing dependencies, all within the cloud container. You type a task, hit code, and Codex plan the step it needs to take, which files need to modify, which commands to run, where tests should pass. It executes command like npm test or git diff and captures log for you to review. When it's done, Codex show you live diff with the added changes and removed lines, so you can inspect every change before asking it to make a PR. With one click, Codex draft a GitHub pull request complete with branch diff and a generated description. You review, comment, and hit merge. So Codex doesn't just autocomplete. It orchestrates development steps, plan, modify, test, review, refactor, and document. Think of it as a junior engineer who can self-manage, execute, and even prepare your code for a PR, all in one coherent flow. And while we have laid out the concept, the real magic happens when you see it in action. In part 2 of this episode, we will switch over to Codex and watch it build our trading alert backends from scratch. From writing APIs to wiring up MongoDB, generating alerts, and even creating a PR, all in one self-contained agentic flow. This isn't just code generation. This is AI-powered engineering. This is shift from AI as a tool to AI as a teammate. What we are seeing today is just beginning. Codex is powerful, but it's not alone. In upcoming episodes, we will explore other advanced agentic tools like Cloud Ops 4 and Amazon Q Developer. Each bring its own unique reasoning, planning, and collaboration capability to your development workflow. So stay tuned, because the future of coding isn't just faster, it's smarter. And you are only scratching the surface of what GenAI can do. Thanks.